I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying basics quickly. Check Android version and device model so you know capabilities and limits. Next, power cycle both devices, turn Bluetooth off and on, and restart the accessory, because many transient link errors clear this way. Once done, make sure battery saver and airplane mode are off, and temporarily close apps that manage audio or location, since they can preempt Bluetooth. These steps remove common environmental causes, and they prepare you to change persistent settings safely. Now tackle the persistent link. Forget the device in Bluetooth settings, then clear the Bluetooth cache and storage from app info. This resets corrupted profiles. Reboot, then repair the accessory, selecting only required profiles like media or phone audio to reduce negotiation conflicts. After pairing, dive into developer options or device-specific Bluetooth settings to set a stable codec and remove aggressive power saving for that app. You do this because codec mismatches and permission limits often force drops during streaming or calls. Finish by updating both phone and accessory firmware, since manufacturers push fixes for disconnect bugs. Also check any OEM Bluetooth or accessory apps for settings updates. Test the accessory with another phone to isolate whether the problem is the accessory or your device. If you still see drops, disable background apps one at a time to find conflicts. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a factory reset. This resolves deep configuration corruption, but only after everything else fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.